All right, let's unbox and try out this skinning, deboning knife from Huusk. Initial impressions is there's a nice little ring to grab and hold it with. It comes with a sheath that does have a belt loop on it, so if you're out hunting, camping, whatever, you can hook it on your backpack, hook it on your belt, take it with you. And that way it's nearby for when you need it. This is a knife that has a thinner design of the blade. That way it's easier to debone and skin your game or in the kitchen when you're trying to get some meat off the bone. I do like the little ring on it to help grab it and to pull it through. The handle is made of oak. Now this is a full Tang, so that means the blade and metal go all the way through the handle, so you don't have to worry about that breaking off. This thing is made of steel and it seems to be nice and sharp. So let's give it a test. I don't have any meat with me to debone. I'm just gonna try on this little cutie orange and see how well it slices. So that'll help me tell with the sharpness of something that's soft like this. All right. As you can see, this thing is giving me nice thin slices. I'm not having to push very hard with it. So it is a very nice and sharp knife right out of the box. So my initial impressions, it is a nice sharp knife that does cut well. Ergonomically, it feels good. Like I said, I like the ring on it. It's something I would definitely take to the hunting camp with me to debone and skin my game with. It's not gonna break the bank like a lot of other knives would. It comes in at a nice, comfortable price for a knife like this.